Ramsey, president of the Crisis Management Institute and developer of the training munition for your 37 millimeter grenade launchers. One of the problems we've had, as you know, at least with the department, every department I'm familiar with, is training cost. Training shell cost about $26 to $30 a shot. These will run you around 50 cents a shot. And you can use them to duplicate the performance in training of your beanbag rounds, your tear gas rounds, and other munitions that you will be deploying in the field at a significant cost savings. The components are very simple. All you need are muzzleloading 209 primers. Now they have to be the muzzleloading 209 primers. You know, that's important. The reballs, a shotgun wad, and the adapter cartridge itself. Operation of one is remarkably simple. Hand start one of the primers into the primer pocket as I fumble around here. But get it started, and using a muzzleloader ball starter, finish it off and seat it all the way in. Next step, take an ordinary shotgun wad, 12 gauge, get it started in, take one of the reballs, put that in place and press it all to the bottom with the standard muzzleloading ball starter. That's all there is to it. It's now ready to use. You can take your 37 millimeter launchers, load it up, it's ready to go. The ball leaves, it's a hard rubber ball. It leaves a muzzle at around 275 feet a second, just like regular paintballs. So you've still got that safety factor. Now this is a 37 millimeter launcher. Yellow is for the 37 millimeters, blue is for the 40s, should you be making the switch over to 40s. Now, once this is fired, and one of the nice things about it, and especially if you're using the airsoft systems for your training, indoors this does not make a mess, and the components are completely reusable. The only component that is not reusable is, of course, the primer. The shotgun wad, the reball, the cartridge adapter itself, perfectly reusable. Once they've been fired, not a problem. You can either use a .22 caliber cleaning rod or the supplied depriming rod. Get it started, and the spent primer is out. Again, get a live primer, get it started, seat it, and that fast, you're up and running, ready to go again. Like I said, these cost around 50 cents to shoot. The products necessary to make it work are readily available anywhere. You can go into any paintball shop, most gun shops, and get everything you're going to need to keep this up and running. And soon to follow will be the adapters for the Arwen and other rotary type munitions launchers. And it's going to be the same process. You'll drop them in just as you would a regular piece of actual ordnance. Close it up, and everything's ready to go. No problems. You will need, of course, to follow all the safety programs that you would normally follow if you were using airsoft or simunition. The advantages over simunition with this, extreme cost savings. The advantage of using this in conjunction with your airsoft instead of paintballs, no mess. And everything except the primer itself is completely reusable. And I'm dropping off this kit for you to try for your own testing. I'll be happy to talk to you about it later. Thank you.